In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable link fields. If you want to connect information across different tables in Airtable, link fields are one of the most useful features to learn. They let you relate records from one table to records in another, which helps keep your base organized and makes your data much more powerful. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create that connection clearly and correctly. Start by opening the table where you want to create a link. This is the table that will contain the new field. It's important to begin in the right place because the linked field will live here and point to records in another table. Take a second to confirm you're in the table where you want users to make that connection. Next, click the plus button to add a new field. In Airtable, this is how you create a column with a new purpose. When the field setup window appears, you'll be able to choose what kind of data this field should store. Since the goal here is to connect records between tables, the field type matters a lot. From the list of field types, choose Link to another record. This tells Airtable that instead of storing plain text, numbers, or dates, this field will create a relationship between records. That means one record in your current table can point to a related record somewhere else in your base. After that, select the table you want to connect to. Airtable will ask which table should provide the linked records, so choose the one that contains the related information you want to associate. This is what creates the bridge between the two tables. Once the field is created, you can begin choosing the related records from the other table. Click into the linked field in a record and select the matching item you want. This step is where the actual connection happens. Be careful to choose the correct related record so your data stays accurate and easy to use later. If you want to display extra information from the linked table without opening it, add a lookup field. A lookup field can pull in specific values from the records you've linked, which is especially helpful when you want more context visible at a glance. Finally, review the link to make sure the field shows the correct related record. This quick check helps confirm that the relationship was set up properly and that the connection is working the way you expect. And that's how to create link fields in Airtable. Once you get comfortable with this, organizing connected data becomes much faster and more reliable.